Well, good morning, bird lovers. Yes, it is Big Daddy Vince the Birdman. And I got up this morning and looked out there, and my goodness, I thought I was in Wisconsin. 7 degrees, skiff of snow on the ground, and the lake completely froze over last night. But one thing it does do, it brings out the birds. I mean, I've got a flock there of about 100 goldfinches. I went out actually before the sun came up and dusted out my feeders, filled everything, checked the water. You can see that my little water heater, even with it being 7 degrees outside, does keep up. It froze a little bit, but there's still open water there for them to drink. But a day like this really brings the birds to my backyard feeders. I'll see just about everything during the course of the day. Actually got a little bluebird right there getting a drink of water. As well as on the ground there's a couple house finches, some juncos, there's cardinals at the wire sunflower seed baskets. We've got actually a junco over there eating some peanut butter on the tree. Woodpeckers are out enjoying the suet and the peanut butter on the tree as well. Beautiful day like this, the birdman just loves sitting at his desks and watching the backyard birds. I do a little reading and writing and a little research, something to do on this frigid day in southern Illinois as I sit here and wait for springtime, but certainly not happening today. I am enjoying all these birds this morning. I hope you have a great day today, and as always, remember, as the sun rises, the bird is the word.